Welcome back to the shop. It's Monday, the 19th of February, 2018.
Hi, everybody.
Alrighty, let's start like we always do with who was here this weekend. Wow, it was a busy weekend. We had Jay and Tangi here. We had Michael and Emily. We had Daniel, Kimmy, and the Butterbean. And was that pretty much everybody who was here for that was everybody who actually came this weekend. Really busy, really exciting weekend. Alright, let's move on. Now, let's talk about what we did this week in the shop. It's been a busy weekend.
Yes, it has.
First and foremost, we celebrated Michael's birthday.
Yay,
Happy birthday,
Michael.
Happy number 27, which is actually tomorrow. Happy birthday, son. You got in here on Friday evening. Got up Saturday, did some work Saturday evening, had a great time, went down to Hooters. Who was at Hooters? Let's see. Of course, Michael was there, Jay was there, Daniel was there, I was there, Uncle Mikey was there, Will was there, and then we had another Michael. We had Michaela's boyfriend, Michael. And he sat beside me. We had a great time, really had a good time. I think we were down there about 5 hours, ate a bunch of wings. Had a really good time. All right. We released the Streamlight flashlight unboxing video.
Yes, we did.
Nice, really nice flashlight. I don't think it's left my side since I had it. I carry it with me pretty much everywhere. Didn't take it down to Hooters when I went. That was about the only place I haven't taken it. We picked up some logs from Daniel. We did that twice. We made 2 trips. Stopped by there on Friday. After I got off work, I went down to Dillon Mill Supply, picked up some steel to start working on those shelves in the trailer. Decided to go with steel because the aluminum was about twice as much. Really couldn't justify spending that kind of money on it. Then we swung by Daniel's and played with Butterbean for a while and loaded up a couple big logs, or maybe just one. I can't remember. I got some logs. Then Daniel was here. Well, we actually went back Saturday and got some more logs.
Yes, we did.
Jay and I did. And then Daniel was here and cut some trees for us here on Sunday. Daniel did some tree cutting. We put the black walnut into the kiln. Excited about that.
Yes.
Fans on it right now. I'm going to wait till it gets down a little bit more, and then I'm going to turn the dehumidifier on. We're going to take that down to about 6 to 8%. Let it set for a week or two. Take it back down to 6 to 8% again. By then, I should have all my material in here that I need to do what I want to do with that table. I'm going to start working on that really unique tabletop, or at least what I hope is going to be unique. I got some things I want to play with on that. More on that later. Alrighty, we did some welding, had a bunch of fun with the welder, the AHP Alpha TIG, and we took it out for a good ride. We put a bumper back on for Daniel. We put a really good welding job, did some modification for it. Then I took the welder out and used it today. And I got to build a cart to put the flitches on when they come off the mill. Now guys, you remember that motorcycle cart thing I bought up at the auction? We took the back off and we just had the wheels, and we're going to make a log arch out of it still. Added a couple pieces of steel up across the front, put some uprights on it, so now we can slide the flitches on that and go ahead, and when we unload from the mill, where we're loading stuff straight onto the trailer that's going to be put in the lumber yard, flitches are going to be put on that. We're going to take it over to the burn pile. But the really big exciting news about that was, what did I get to use when I did that?
Your welding helmet!
That's right, the 3350 Lincoln Viking helmet works like a charm. The cheater lenses were great. It was an incredible difference using that helmet compared to the more modestly priced one that we had before, our initial helmet. But really, it was great. It was an excellent welding experience. The frustration wasn't there trying to find where you're striking an arc or everything. So,
and your streamline was streamlined.
Yeah, it looked really good. I almost had the stack of dimes things going on there. So really, it worked really well. I'm extremely pleased with that new 3350 helmet. Thank you guys. I appreciate everybody who got that for me for Christmas. Looks like it's going to make welding so much easier. Even was out here welding right here at dusk, and it was just perfect. It was great. Let's see what else. We hung the lights in the mom cave. Now I bought some lights. Gosh, 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago,
yeah.
And was looking for the right time to get them in. I got some really neat lights. We'll talk more about those maybe later what they are, but they're really nice LED lights. They brighten up the place, really make it a whole lot easier for Mama to see. I've got one more to hang. We got to move a table and clean up some stuff and put the other one in. Jay's got to do some wiring. That's right, Jay. You got to do some wiring next time we get you up here. So we're going to do some wiring, get the lights up in there right now. I got some extension cords just so it'll work. but that came out really well.
Oh yeah, I
That
can
came out
see
right.
anything and everything now.
Yeah, and that kind of wraps it up. I don't think there's much else we did. I mean, we did a lot of things, but it's mostly cleanup
Yeah,
stuff. So,
clean up,
really-
pick up, put away, laundry,
Yeah,
household.
So all that type of stuff. So let's kind of move on here a little bit. Now we got some projects to talk about that we finished this week. Michael turned a beautiful pen, absolutely gorgeous pen. I think what we're going to do with that is we're going to try to put a picture in right about now. Did that work? Let's see. Last time I tried that, didn't work very well. The other thing we did a special job, a special job on a Disney princess boot for the Butterbean. And I say we, Meemaw, put that diamond right there on there that she asked to be put on there. She now has her diamond. We'll get this back to her and she'll have her shoe there and good to go. So Michael turned a pin, Mama put a diamond on the shoe, and look what else Mama did here. Now this is a new technique that Mama's come up with. Now this fish isn't on here, but we're going to call it a completed project. I want y'all to take a good look at that, and hopefully, I'm going to let you get back there and see if that's all focused in.
Yes, it is.
Alrighty. Now that's a new technique that Mama's come up with using, I ain't going to tell you what she used. We're going to hold on to that for a while. But look at that. How is that? Now this is super simple. I don't think you have a whole lot to it, but really nice. So we got 3 finished products come out this week with Michael's pen, and I sure hope we can get that picture in there and show you what that looks like. That's pretty much all the finished products, wasn't it? Or projects that we got done.
Yeah, that's it for finished. We worked on a bunch of stuff, but
all right,
as
let's
usual.
talk about shows and markets. The 7th of April, what do we got?
7th of April, we are going to Buckhead.
Buckhead. Yeah.
Buckhead,
Georgia. And we're doing the Buckhead show. I don't know what they call it. Do you know what it is?
Some kind of
It's
festival.
an arts and craft festival,
Yep.
so we're looking forward to that. Really excited. First festival of the year, first outing of the year. Ready to rock and roll and get that done. Then we're going to the Market 400. I put in all my vacation time, so it looks like we're going to be there the 20th, the 21st, and 22nd of April. 4th month in the year, 1 month behind where we wanted to be. Looking forward to that. I think you got the time off and everything.
Yep.
So there's our first 2 shows in the market, our first show and market.
Yep.
Anyhow, first 2 outings of the year. We are really excited about that, extremely excited about that Market 400 coming up. All right, let's move on. Oh, that black cherry is really good. This is our last week without sweet tea because March slides in here, and guess what? I kind of arbitrarily picked March as when I'd start making sweet tea again. Next week we'll be drinking sweet tea. All right, upcoming for Two Dogs. Got a lot coming up. I don't know whether we didn't get to talk a whole lot about what you had planned, but let's tell you what we're looking at doing. We're going to finish cleanup from where Daniel cut all these trees down for us yesterday. Got all the small limbs cut up today, put in the burn pile. I'm going to go through the bigger trees. I'm going to cut into posts, and we're going to make some rails and stuff for the ramps, for the log ramps. And then I think I'm going to take the smaller stuff. I'm just going to cut up in firewood chunk size. And again, we're going to continue working on those log ramps. We're going to start on those 4-foot circular tables. Did we mention that last time?
I don't think we did.
We got tasked to do some 4-foot circular tables. Gosh, big old nice round tables. They're going to be 18 inches tall. It's going to be for a play at a school down in Augusta. We're going to start on those. The interesting thing is the circle's going to have to be cut in 2 because during the play, the circle's going to come apart, come together, come apart, come together, and there's going to be people dancing and singing on them. So it's going to be an exciting build. Yeah, on top of them. So it's going to be an interesting build. We've already got the framework. We've looked at how we wanted to do the design. Now we've got to cut out the 3/4 inch plywood. Once I get that done, we're going to have to do a little bit of wood bending, get that set up. Looking forward to it.
Yeah, I'm excited about those.
It's going to be a great build. May take you along for that, and along that lines, me and Michael talked a little bit this week about getting us a video editing computer, so I can actually start putting out some.
That would be nice.
Some projects. It's just too hard to try to do project build videos and make them where the time is just not terribly long, or everything has to be put on just basically 8 times speed to run you through it. I'd like to put out some better videos than that. So what we're going to do is try to build a computer just for editing. So that's upcoming for Two Dogs. And I'm excited about that because that is going to let us take our video editing kind of to a new level. You won't have to watch everything on fast speed or be stuck watching an entire just extended version of us doing a project. So looking forward to that. Alrighty, so we got to finish, Carol, probably our favorite follower here. We got her tabletop down here. We've got 4 coats of poly on it. We've got the stain. Everything's done. Going to work on the legs tonight. We're going to go look those up and decide what we want to do. I'm going to picture this. I'm going to take it to her, make sure this is what she wanted. And if not, we're going to take it to Atlanta if it is. And I think she's going to love it as much as we do. I think it's going to go to our good friend Carol, who's always been a big supporter of Two Dogs back to 2 years ago.
Oh,
so,
yeah.
Yeah, really, really looking forward to that. We're going to quarter saw some of the nicest pine logs that we've had come onto the property since we've been here.
Those are huge.
Gorgeous, yeah.
Yeah, straight as an arrow.
We're actually going to truly quarter saw them. We're going to cut them in half again, and then we're going to quarter saw them. Probably take you along on that. That's just going to be a sped up video where we do 8 times the speed, but you're going to watch some quarter saw pine, and you're going to get to see some quarter saw red oak, because one of the trees Daniel dropped was a dead red oak, but the wood looks really good.
Oh, yeah.
Really good. So we're going to do that. And then auctions. Is it auction or auctions? We don't know
We
yet.
don't know yet.
It looks like there's an on-site auction from our friends up here at Sunset.
Starting at 10.
Yeah, starting at 10 in the morning on Saturday. And it's going to be woodworking and metalworking.
Metalworking, mostly.
A lot of neat tools in there. We're looking forward to that. Maybe pick up some nice tools. Maybe pick up some bargains. But for sure, we're going to pick something up. And then that evening, they've got a 5 o'clock auction that looks like we're going to be going to as well. Because there's some really neat stuff.
I didn't look at that one yet.
If y'all haven't seen those pictures, just Sunset Auction, Thompson, Georgia. Take a look at those pictures. Some really neat stuff. Let us know if there's anything in there you can't live without. And then I think that's kind of it for what we've got coming up for Two Dogs.
That's
right?
about it. I mean, other than working on some more tabletops and getting to the auctions.
All righty.
Not auctions, festivals.
Mm-hmm. All right. Well, that's about it then, I think, for this evening.
Yes,
you got
sir.
anything else? All
Nope.
right. As always, we'd like to say thank you for watching the video. And remember, we'd love to see you back in the shop. Good gosh, I can't see a thing. All right. Ready? You do sound check.
Sound check, sound check. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Sound check, sound check, sound check. Sound check. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Sound check, sound check, sound check. Yeehaw!
I think we got it down pat.